Hello, I'm your host, Belkin Vanderspuds, and this is Cast Iron Cooking, where we explore all kinds of recipes and ways to protect your cast iron pans. So join me in this next video as we explore more interesting cooking with cast iron cooking. How to make sausage gravy and biscuits using standard sausages as your mild sausages and biscuits we've already made. And the only ingredients we need are all-purpose flour, some salt, some pepper, a little bit of olive oil, our biscuits, and of course the sausages. And to do this, what we're going to do is we're going to start off with a black iron pan, cast iron pan, and we're going to preheat it a little bit and make sure it's got just a little bit of oil in it already. And we're going to add our biscuits and let them cook. We're going to break up the biscuits as they're cooking because we don't want holes, or the sausages as they're cooking, because we don't want full-size sausages. We want small sausage chunks. So we're going to have plenty of sausage in this meal. We're essentially going to put these sausages all out there to cook, and then we'll take our spatula and we'll break them apart. So you can hear the skillet's on a low heat currently, but you can hear it's already starting to sizzle. So the sausages are already starting to cook. And this is like browning hamburger. You just want to break it up to small, manageable, bite-sized pieces and stir it up and make sure it cooks. And we don't have this up on high because we want to render the fat out of the sausage before it actually browns, because it's the fat in this sausage that's going to make the gravy. Just break apart, comes out into chunks. In this case, I'm just using what we already had. We already had these round sausages in the oven or in the fridge, so I'm using that. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a little heat. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and lower the temperature down to a simmer and let the temperature in the pan come down a little bit until it cools off some. We're going to be adding the flour next, and we don't want the flour to burn right away. We want it to combine with the oil that's in the pan and start making the gravy. One other ingredient I didn't mention in the intro was milk. You're going to use whole vitamin D milk, or you can use skim milk in a pinch, but I prefer whole vitamin E milk. So coming is the next ingredient, which is regular all-purpose flour. And you want to add about, depends on how much oil you have going on, but essentially you want 1.5 to 2 cups of flour mixed in. So we'll start with that, professionally measured, and as you can see, it's pretty dry. So we're going to go ahead and add some milk and allow that flour to cook in there. And because we just added cold milk, I'm going to bring the temperature back up a little bit and we'll mix all this together. At this point, while it's warming back up, I'm going to go ahead and add a little salt. And a little bit of black pepper. And what you really want to do is cook that flour so that it doesn't taste like raw flour, but instead tastes like cooked flour. And there is definitely a significant difference in the two. One is kind of dry and not very tasty. The other is definitely gravy-like. So. Will make the gravy completely separate from the meat, and that's okay, but it's not necessary. At this point, I'm turning the temperature back down to simmer, and we're going to get our biscuits ready. Getting the biscuits ready is fairly easy. It consists of cutting the biscuits in half. Now to make a plate of biscuits with gravy, we're going to turn the stove off. We're going to take our gravy mix and we are going to put it directly on the biscuits. Okay, so there is your biscuits and gravy, ready for a glass of milk and eat with your friends. So enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Again, this is Belkin Vanderspuds, your host, and I hope you've enjoyed this quick video. And if you did, if you're still here, I encourage you to like and subscribe and come back again for the next video. Thanks a lot. Bye. Well, look at you. You made it all the way to the end of this video. And I really want to thank you. I appreciate you for sticking around and watching the content, because you being here really matters. Without you, my doing this is pointless. You are my sunshine, and I hope to see you again. Again, my name is Belkin Vanderspuds, and I've been your host here at Cast Iron Cooking. I hope you come back and watch some more videos. And if you'd like to give me a thumbs up, consider subscribing. It really helps the channel. Cheers.